In front of me is DOOGEE X55, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer, then go to more icon and select settings. Now click on call-in accounts, pick the carrier that you have and go to voicemail, first option here. And if you will click on sound, you'll be able to check all the sounds that you can apply here. Let me show you some of them. And then just pick the one that you would like to apply, click on OK, and as you can see, it has been changed. So this is it, that would be all. That's how you can change voicemail sound. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.